Wristwatches are becoming smarter day by day. These wristwatches are must-need product in every human life. These smartwatches act like your personal assistant, where it can calculate heartbeat, oxygen level of your body, calories you burned in the workout session, duration of your workout, or sometimes you can set a goal to it where it motivates you until you complete the workout. And also it has a pedometers where it can track your walk and jog footsteps. It also acts like a personal assistant, and you can set up these reminders accordingly, where you can set up when you want to drink water, or when you want to take a tablet, or when you want to meet any person. You can set up this reminder. These smartwatches will alert you. In this video, we are going to see a smartwatch from Arbily, and it is called Arbily smartwatch. Let us see the detailed review of the watch in this video. Before continuing the video, just hit a like button so it motivates me to put more interesting contents like this. So without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. Let us get into the unboxing of the watch. This is a box of it. So it has fitness, health, smart, style, touch and track options. So it says, please charge connected app for the first time. So let us see what is in the side. Run tracker, heart rate monitor, pedometer, sleep monitor, calorie burner, and the color of the watch is black. This watch is sold by the brand called Arbily. It's a made in China product. So this is the back side of the thing, and this watch also has a female tracker in it. So it's a unisex watch. The price is 5,999. This is a barcode where you scan it and get the app onto your phone. You also have a message notification in this. Call alert, like who is calling, the number will come on the watch. As usual, time, alarm and SMS alert is also there. And it also has social media notification alerts also. I'll show you that inside. So let us get into the unboxing. Open this and I'll pull this out. So very good pack. So inside there's nothing. Here is a watch, and inside that there is a manual. It's a pretty big user manual in different languages. So I can keep it here. This is a charger. This is a USB to magnetic charger for the watch. This is a charger. This is a charge point, and these are the magnets. Just connected via USB. Let us go into the watch. We take out the watch. This is the watch. The strap seems to be very good. Just place it like this. So it says charge before using the watch. We'll remove the cover on top, and back side also you have a heart rate sensor. We remove this cover. This is a heart rate sensor, and this is a charge point. Now it is not getting connected because I have not powered it on. Once I power it on, the magnet will get attracted and get connected like this. Okay, I'll show you that later. Let's go to the front. Let me switch on the watch for you. This is how the display is. Okay, you have time. You have speedometer, run. You have a sleep monitor. You have a heartbeat sensor with the lights here. Then you have a temperature, you have a message notification. This is the setting of the watch and this is the power off. So friends, I think you have seen the unboxing of Arbily smartwatch and its features also. I'll give you the link in the description below to go and purchase it. I use this watch on my regular daily basis. I feel this is very good watch. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Udays Review and also share it with your friends and families and also tell them to subscribe to my channel. By getting more subscribers, I'll be interested in putting lots of content like this. Thank you friends. See you in the next video. Bye.